Hey guys, it's Susan. How's everybody doing today? I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. So far, so good over this way. I want to show you something that I just put together. I put together a shell and starfish necklace. This one I made before. It's a tree of life, and I'm using black crystals, chain, and jewelry tubing. This one is put together exactly the same way as this one, except I'm using a shell and a starfish. I've got jewelry tubing, I've got white crystals, and I've got gold chain. So today we're going to put this together. I want to show you how to do that. Okay, so to get started making this necklace, you're going to need some jewelry tubing, and I cut this 7 inches. I have some 19 strand Beadalon wire, and I cut this 17 inches. The chain for the other side, I cut 7 inches, and then I'm going to need my shell, my starfish. I need 4 gold beads. These are 4 to 5 millimeters, and these tiny little ones are 3 millimeters. These are like an off-white crystal. You're going to need a couple of crimp beads, some jump rings, my clasp, and my clasp came with 2 jump rings on each side, so I'm going to use those, and you're going to need some crimp covers. Tools you'll need a pocket crimper or a crimper. I'm using a smaller crimper, and chain nose pliers, flush cutters, and flat pliers. I'm going to start on one end of my jewelry tubing and put my wire through that. Okay, so once I have my wire through that, I'm gonna start at the top, which is where I'm gonna crimp. So I'm gonna find my little crimp bead right there. I'm gonna put that through. And then let's see how I did this one. Then I went right to the clasp. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it through the jump ring of my clasp onto the wire. And then I'm gonna bring my wire back down. Pull it. And then making sure that my wires are not crossed. I'm going to push the bead, the crimp bead, up and go ahead using my pocket crimper. I'm going to use the second notch from the front, and I'm going to go in and crimp that first, crimp that down. Then I'm going to rotate my pliers, and I'm going to use the front notch. Then I can go ahead and put on my crimp cover. So I'm going to cover up the crimp completely. It's going to be inside like that. And then I'm going to use my pocket crimper, same way, but I'm going to go into the front and just push it down. It's kind of like a little Pac-Man mouth. Squeeze that down, and I can go into the front too. Squeeze it down a little more. And now I have my crimp cover on. Okay, I'm going to slide my tubing all the way up. And then on this end, I'm going to start with my beads. So I'm going to put on my gold bead, another gold bead. So I've got 2 beads at the bottom. Then I'm going to add my shell. I'm going to add another gold bead. And then for more embellishment for my necklace, I'm going to add my starfish that's attached to a jump ring. So slide that on. Then I'm going to add another gold bead. Then I'm going to add my 6 crystals. Then after my last crystal, I'm going to add my crimp bead. And now I need to add a jump ring to that. So I've got a little 4mm jump ring here. I need to close this up. Let me close that up. Then I'm going to put my wire through my jump ring. I'm going to come back through my crimp. Let's see if I can fit through the crystal too. Pull that through. Make sure that my wires are not crossed. And then I can come all the way down. Just pull that. I'm going to come down a little bit more because I don't want so much space between my crimp and my jump ring. Okay, that looks better. Okay, so once I have everything down and I've got my jump ring on and my wires aren't crossed, I have to remember to give this crimp bead room to put my crimp cover on. So I don't want this bead to go very close to the jump ring, or this bead, I need room for the crimp cover. So I'm going to go ahead and crimp and then crimp with the front. And now I can go ahead and add my cover to it. I can go ahead and cut this part off, so I don't need that part. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add my crimp cover. Then I'm going to go ahead and use my front notch, push that down. Can go ahead and go in the front too to make sure it's closed. Okay. I'm going to attach my jump ring to my chain. So let me get my pliers out and find the opening. And twist that open. Attach it to my chain. And close it up. I have a jump ring that I'm going to attach to my chain, and to that I'm going to attach this jump ring that the Clasp came with, and close this up. And there you have it. Super cute, right? If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.